Nanobots are tiny robots made out of almost any material, and they can be made smaller than the width of a human hair. They're nanoscale, self-propelling machines. The idea is for these bots to get into places that other machines and other materials cannot do so efficiently. Nanobots are essentially an adapted machine version of bacteria. They're designed to function on the same scale as both bacteria and common viruses in order to interact with them and repel them from the human system. The ideal nanobot consists of a transporting mechanism, an internal processor, and a fuel unit of some kind that enables it to function. There are some considerations when thinking about how a nanobot could be introduced to the human body. The first is to consider how big or small the machine must be in order to traverse through blood vessels. It must be small enough not to block the blood vessel. However, the larger the bot, the more efficiently they run and the more versatile they are. The second thing is to consider entry into the body in the first place. It needs to enter a larger area, for example, the femoral artery. There are a number of ways that the nanobots can be moved around the body. The list can include propellers, man-made cilia and flagella structures, an electromagnetic pump, membrane propulsions, and many more. The devices can then be controlled chemically, spectroscopically, or using a TV camera or a UHF sonar detector. The use of these nanobots can benefit in many different ways. Pros of using this technology include imaging and diagnosis. Studies have shown that nanoparticle-based fluorescent labeling was more efficient than conventional fluorophores when using molecular imaging in diagnosis. It also benefits in drug delivery, as nanobots can deliver site-specific medications, which aids in the therapeutic modulation of effective drug dosage and disease control. And nanobots can even be used for anti-cancer therapy. Conventional cancer treatments are non-specific to target killing of tumour cells. A potential use of these nanobots is the exploration of tumour-specific thermal scalpels to heat and burn the tumours. With all pros, however, there do come some cons, and this cutting-edge technology is no different. The use of nanobots could potentially cause pulmonary morbidity or a pulmonary pathologic response. This is when different molecular mechanisms are involved in the genesis of cardiovascular or pulmonary diseases. Introducing new materials to the human body may cause inflammatory or toxic pulmonary responses, depending on particle size or chemical composition. It is also possible for these nanobots to cause oxidative stress. This is essentially an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the ability of the body to counteract or detoxify their harmful effects through neutralization by antioxidants. This is due to their greater surface areas, which allows them to interact with more cellular structures. Though these effects are certainly possible, they are rare. The applications of these nanobots is worldwide. However, it is possible for New Zealand to be the lead in this technology, using brilliant minds like Michelle Dickinson or using the McDermott Institute in Wellington. Nanobots can repair damaged or diseased tissue at a molecular level. They can remove gout by locating the deposits of fat byproducts and breaking up the crystals, allowing bloodstream to take them away. They can clean burns and wounds by removing dirt and foreign particles. And the use of nanobots is not just limited to medicine. It is possible for these bots to be used to create more efficient renewable energy, and they can be used as ocean cleaning nanosponges that clean up waterways by filtering out contaminants such as fertilizers, pesticides, or pharmaceuticals. Environmentally, nanobots can do some amazing things. They can clean up waterways and also clear up oil spills by filtering the waste and destroying contaminated molecules in a faster, more efficient way than any method we have currently available. They can create renewable energy, and in smog-ridden cities or chemical-emitting factories, nanobots can be used to deconstruct the pollutants. Safe, purified drinking water can be made available everywhere, saving the lives of countless people. And there are endless potential quirky uses in the future, from cars that repair themselves to self-cleaning clothes. While some nanobots require a lot of embodied energy to make, there are many bots that are available at lower costs that are highly efficient. There is one particular model at the moment that detects diseases and costs around 15 cents to make. This can be highly beneficial economically. The low cost means that widespread adoption is ensured, improving the lives of other people. The social benefits of nanobots include the medical benefits, as the technology is creating better, longer, and healthier lives among populations. The applications bring everyone together with a common goal, to improve the lives of populations, whether that be through the medical or environmental use. Scientists working with this technology feel that the benefits far outweigh the risks, and this is why more time and effort should be put into mastering the production. After all, who doesn't want a world where we can get rid of cancer and have clean water for everyone?